Coach Debbie, and today it's another YouTube tutorial patungkol sa ating TPC business. If first time mo sa channel ko, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so that you will be notified on my next uploads. So today is ituturo ko po sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-load ng SIGNAL, SATLITE, at SKY DIRECT using TPC. Keep on watching this video so that you will learn and so that you will know how to use TPC in loading SIGNAL, SKY DIRECT, at SATLITE.
To how to load SIGNAL. So you have to choose the plan. Then type dealer or your reseller number space code sample 091234567889 space SD200, send it to 8724. Then you will receive the PIN. May text ka ma-receive tulad nito. So the second step is how to register PIN to the box number. So what you have to do is type SIGNAL space PIN na na-receive mo, space box number, and send it to 5353. Then you will receive two texts from 5353. Yung pangalawang text, it says that your load request has been confirmed, so load na po ang PIN sa box ni customer. So ganun lang po ka-easy ang pag-load sa SIGNAL. Next is how to load SATLITE. First is choose the plan na gustong ipaload ni customer. Type your dealer or reseller number space code. Example 091234567889 space SAT99 and send it to 8724. Once you receive the PIN, next is to register to the box. So what you will do is type SATLITE space the PIN na na-receive mo space box number ni customer and send it to 5353. This time, how to load SKY DIRECT using TPC. First step is to choose the plan na ilo-load ni customer. Ang first step again natin is to get the PIN. So type your dealer or reseller number space code. Send it to 8724 kung nakapili ka na kung anong code. Once na maka-receive ka na ng PIN from 8724, the next step you do is to register the PIN to the box ng customer. Once you have the PIN, just simply type SkyLoad space box number space PIN and send it to 23667 like this. So once successful, you will receive a confirmation from 23667.
So ganun lang po kasimple ang pag-load ng SATLITE, SIGNAL, at SKY DIRECT using TPC. So kung may natutunan po kayo sa video na ito, don't forget to like, share this video, and consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified on my next upload or mga tutorial ko po patungkol sa ating TPC business. Have a good day, Telepreneur, and God bless po sa inyong lahat.